Here's an example in which they want us to use half-angle identities to find the exact, see how that's all capitals, expression for tangent. Now I know it's kind of hard to read. Let me write out what that is. They want us to find tangent of 7 pi over 12. Okay, now how do we do it? Well, the first thing I would do would be to plug in pi as 180 degrees, right? So this will become 7 times 180 degrees all over 12. Use your calculator. I'm getting mine right now. 7 times 180 divided by 12, 105 degrees. So really what they're asking of us then is find the tangent of 105 degrees. Okay, now, and they want an exact expression. So that means no rounded decimals, right? I can't just take my calculator and hit tangent of 105 right now. You could. You get a decimal that goes forever, so you'd have to round it. And as soon as you round it, it's not exact anymore. So when they say exact, you can't have a rounded decimal, clearly. What are we going to do? Well, how do we get exact values if we can't get them out of our calculator? Well, we go to the unit circle. So if I go to the unit circle, and I look here for, let me get rid of what I did here last time. Look here for 105 degrees. It's not there, right? Here's 120. Here's 90. 105's not there. 105's not there. What am I going to do this problem? Well, you probably know the trick. If I take the 105 degrees and I multiply it by 2, I get 210 degrees, which is on the unit circle. That is one of our specific values on the unit circle, 210, right? That's right here. So I can, at 210 degrees, I can get the cosine, which is right there, and the sine of 210. I can get exact values. Okay, great, I see that, but we don't have 210. We doubled it. We have 105. Yeah, but we can use it with the half angle, right? Now, so we can say the tangent of 105 is the tangent of 210 degrees divided by 2, right? If double 105 is 210, then 210 divided by 2 is 105, right? And then we can use the double angle formula. Let's go down and look at our formula chart. Find the tangent, the half angle formula. Let's go find the tangent half angle formula right here. Now here's 3 versions. I think this one's easiest. So I don't like using that one. That one's terrible. Tangent of x over 2 is sine over 1 plus cosine of the regular x. Do you see that? Tangent of half an angle is sine of the regular angle over 1 plus cosine of the regular angle. Sine over 1 plus cosine. Let's go write it down. Sine over 1 plus cosine. So tangent of x over 2 is sine of x over 1 plus cosine of x, right? Half angle here, regular angle there. That's the half angle formula for tangent, okay? So the 210 is the x, isn't it? See how the 210 is what's over 2, like the x is over 2? So that means if the x is 210 here, then the x is 210 there also. So this is going to be, well, I'll bring it down here. This, well, I don't like it there either. There we go. So this is sine of 210 over 1 plus the cosine of 210, isn't it? So that's what the tangent of 105 degrees equals. Sine of 210 over 1 plus cosine 210, according to the formula. So let's go get it. What's the sine and cosine of 210? So there's 210. Cosine is negative root 3 over 2. Sine is negative a half. Okay, so that's going to be negative half over 1 minus root 3 over 2. They're both negative, right? That's what we got off the unit circle. The sine on the top is negative half. Cosine is negative root 3 over 2. Now, how do we, what do we do with that? Well, you know, we've done this several times, right? So when you have fractions over fractions, that's what we've got. Multiply all the terms top and bottom by the LCD over 1, where so we're going to multiply by the LCD equals 1 of each type of item under a small bar. So I look at all the items under small bars, and I mean not this major bar, just this small bar here and the small bar there. I got a 2 under that small bar and a 2 under that small bar. So all I've got is 2. 2 is the LCD, and so I'm going to multiply by 2 over 1. 2 over 1, but don't forget this guy, all the terms, right? All the terms, top and bottom, by LCD over 1. Okay, so then what happens? These cancel. So I get negative 1 on the top over 2 times 1, that's just 2. Right there, right? Minus, and then these cancel, root 3. And that's it. We can stop right there. We don't have to mess around with it anymore at all, because they said, you might think, what about that square root in the bottom, Mr.? Don't we got to get rid of the square root? No. See, it said no rationalization is necessary. That means you don't have to get rid of the square root from the denominator. You can leave it. It's an exact. All they wanted is an exact value. That is an exact value. It's not a decimal. It's not rounded. It's an exact value for the tangent of 105 degrees. We got it by using 210, which is on the unit circle, and then the half angle formula for that.